20th Century TV.
Get your helmet. New sticker.
But just don't show me.
I'm not gonna. They can just hear you. This time they can only see me.
Please show my hand when I picked up the biggest acorn again with it doesn't wiggle it.
Hey, Brian,
No,
wait. All right, let's go. Are you learning new words?
Yep, A-R, and Yvonne thinks it's still A-W, but it's still A. But now we changed to A-R.
Is it new words this week?
Yep, A-R. It's new words, it's close to but R. That's different. R. R and R. R and R. 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 It makes R sound R. That just the sound A-R.
Ooh, look at all these acorns.
Thick. This is thick.
Is it crazy? Hey, this is crazy. There's so many acorns. I wish there was more.
Kyle,
What?
what do you call this type of acorn?
Look, they're stuck in the bush.
There's two and two parts of it. Look, like
Is it a
this.
triplet?
No, a triplet is three.
Is it a quadruplet?
What does that mean?
Is it 4?
Oh yeah, quadruplet.
Ooh, I heard a big one fall.
Why do they call quad?
Because it means 4. I don't see any giant ones. Wow.
I found it.
What?
Big.
This is not the biggest.
I want it.
It's big though. It is a big one. Holy cow. But it's still not the biggest.
Let me have it.
The biggest was way bigger.
But this is so goddamn mutated.
It's not a mutant. That's just a big one.
Cool.
See any others? Are you gonna keep it?
I hope Maggie doesn't take this big one.
She will.
Why?
Because she's the little cat. Little cats. Ooh, look how good you can ride.
I want my one. I know. I will show everybody now.
Okay, now you can see you. Ooh, wait, let me start. You're the best bike rider. Ooh, I like your green bike more than the other one at Grandma's.
Yeah, but guess what?
The kid bike behind your grandma's house had the same green bike, but his doesn't have stickers on it.
Oh, that's what
What?
the dream waddle do. If the waddle do has spikes in running, guess what?
What?
So if you go down to King's, you can give it dream laser.
Hey, guess what? What game do you want to play today? Hey, silly.
Big one.
Hit the acorns. Hey, mister. I wish it would rain again. SpongeBob. Hey, Perch Perkins. Are you Perch Perkins? Are you the Perch Perkins? What are you doing again? What? A mushroom? Is it a mushroom? Looks like a gross piece of dog poop or a mushroom. Don't touch it though. It's either a mushroom or like something. I saw it the other day. It's not our yard. It's not our yard, thank God. Thank God it's the neighbors. Oh God. I don't want to have to clean that up. That thing was disgusting. What?
I was being charged the ice cream and then ice cream shop and another snack. And guess what happened?
What?
Oh my God!
Listen, mister.
I was eating dinosaur food.
Listen.
And then I threw up.
Are you gonna make an ice cream shop?
Yes. In Minecraft, it's the furniture mod.
What are we gonna have for dinner tonight? Hey, what do you want for dinner? I'm sick of eating noodles. I thought you said zombies aren't real.
But in Minecraft, they are.
Yep. Because he heard me run over an acorn and it drove him insane.
Is he saying, go, go? That was insane.
I don't know what he's saying.
Is he saying, woof, woof, woof?
Blah, 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 blah.
Woof. That means dog and Spanish. Woof.
You know what else?
That's how dogs say, woof, woof. Hey, stop!
Hey, stop.
I don't know what fucking
Acorn pizza? Are we having acorn pizza for dinner? Hey, are we having an acorn pizza tonight? Ooh, my favorite, acorn pizza. No, we're having acorn pizza. Acorn and cheese pizza with extra acorn. Acorns. You want me to get a cheese pizza today? Let me think of where I can get a good one. Hey, we got one in the freezer. It's probably better than anywhere else, honestly. Yep. Oh.
Guess what we sell?
What?
We sell Sprite. We have pizza and we sell Sprite.
See ya later.
And Cocoa and Dr. Pepper
Hey,
fruit
are you missing a tooth?
and orange Fanta.
Hey, take off your helmet.
If you like all of those things and cheese pizza, even pepperoni, and any pizza that has everything that my dad likes that's spicy, come here now.
See ya.
Phoebe, say goodbye. Where are we going?
The show's over. See you next time.
Next time? When's that?
Pretty soon. Don't worry.
Pretty soon? How long is that?
In a little while, man.
A little while? What will we do till then?
You could get your teeth drilled.
Play. Hey, you gotta play the song. Play the song. Now you can push him down. Wait. Careful. Don't rush. Push him down. Here. Like this.